Today we're going to drive the Bugatti Chiron for the first time since the accident.
Matt Armstrong takes the wheel of a car everyone thought was impossible to save. After months of Bugatti refusing parts and Bob fabricating radiators from scratch, the Chiron finally moves under its own power. Matt's reaction? This is scary. The car was literally in half. But before we get to the drive, hit subscribe and like, because what Matt just did defied everything Bugatti claimed. Driving a Chiron rebuilt without a single Bugatti part. Here's the radiator nightmare. The Chiron was almost ready in the last video. Engine running, interior installed. But the radiator Bob made leaked due to shipping damage. He had to rebuild it, source a new core, and weld everything back together. Then another problem. The new core was 1 mm wider than the old one. That tiny difference threw off the brackets, fittings leaked, and 39 liters of coolant had to be drained and refilled. Matt even tried welding the leaks himself, but some things are better left to professionals. While Bob battled the radiators, Matt uncovered more surprises. A Lamborghini Gallardo fuse box, a Volkswagen secondary air pump, Porsche crash sensors, a multi-million-dollar Bugatti running on VW Group parts, Bob's most impressive work? The front crash bar. The original was destroyed, and this component holds the bumper, splitter, badges, sensors, and hood lock. Misalignment would ruin everything. With no Chiron to scan, Bob spent over 60 hours rebuilding it from scratch, cutting, welding, filing, bending, tapping threads for every mounting point. First fit, perfect alignment. That's not just fabrication, it's art. With the radiators leak-free and crash bar installed, it was time to fill the cooling system. 39 liters, vacuum-filled for precision. Midnight in the US, 6:30 a.m. In Ireland, Bob and Matt watched the pressure hold. No leaks, fans cycled, temperature stabilized. The repurposed radiator cores worked, cooling a 1,500 HP W16 engine, proof that factory parts weren't needed. Mechanically ready, Matt went for the first drive. No windscreen, front end temporarily assembled, but everything functional. Engine fired, transmission engaged, first movement. Smooth, terrifying, surreal. A car literally rebuilt from half pieces, accelerating under his control. Even a short pull was overwhelming. Matt drove a Chiron that Bugatti said couldn't be done. Split in half, rebuilt without a single Bugatti part. Fully functional. Matai Ramat, Bugatti CEO, said it was impossible. Matt just proved otherwise. Subscribe now, this Chiron isn't finished. Once painted and complete, it will stand as the ultimate middle finger to Bugatti's gatekeeping. Entirely rebuilt without their parts, entirely by skill and ingenuity.